I'm Jason Linett. This is a dinosaur. Let's talk Scriptnosis. We're rolling out the client management software system, which already you know that Scriptnosis is a click and drag editor of curated content from top professionals in our industry. It's all about eradicating that virus of I need a script for this, I need a script for that, to instead have this access to be able to go in and look at material from people such as me, Sheila Granger, Tom Nicoli, Ron Esslinger, Kelly T. Woods, and a growing library with outstanding content. Now, here's the part that we're really excited about. See, I'm here inside of the Scriptnosis platform because it's not just about the material you do inside of your session. It's also the business work outside of it. And check this out. I'm going to click over here to appointment because you can actually see I am now inside of the client management system that's part of Scriptnosis. Now, still there's more features that we're going to be rolling out over the next several weeks. And in many ways, it's your request that help us to keep building out this system. That as someone who teaches the actual hypnosis business of how do we actually get those clients, it's where over the years having to Frankenstein several pieces together and make slightly cautious recommendations around different pieces of software, we are building the platform that the hypnosis profession really needs. And let me show you inside of this. So this is where you're able to go in and actually you can see that we've got, scheduled appointments inside of here, where as easy as you want, you can also integrate this with your own calendar system. I can go in here, I can create a new message, I can create a new event, I can go in here. If I even wanted to go in and schedule my dentist appointment, if I wanted to go in and schedule the time earlier today where I was at my son's elementary school, and then fit that into my schedule of seeing clients. And let me show you some of the setups of what we can actually show you here. That if I look at schedule monthly, this is a nice breakdown of everything that I've got coming up. Now, take note, this is a sample platform that you're looking at, but I can look back to October 8th. This is Titan's personal account, so let's judge him together. So according to this, on October 8th, Titan was at the gym from 7 in the morning till 8 a.m. These are example clients for the moment, so we're not revealing anything too private. Or we'll find out. So here he was working with John Carter. I believe he's from Mars. Stopping tobacco, but also wants to ... And check this out. We can actually click inside of here, and it's where you can set up the event type. You can set up the contacts that it's connected to, the location. For those of you that may be working in different offices, some of you have maybe seen my recent story of what they're calling now water infiltration. My office is flooding, so I've been working in various rooms of my office and shopping around for a new one at the same time. So you can see inside of here too, double session back to back. This is what's really cool about this. I'll share, this is a frustration with the software scheduling platform that I'm currently using for Virginia Hypnosis. Here's an appointment that I wanted to book slightly differently than my normal hours, and I just don't have that ability to do that. So we're putting that into Scriptnosis, that you can set up your own custom systems inside of it. I can even go here to schedule yearly. And again, here's a bunch of gibberish here. We won't guess what Titan was doing at the moment of that recording, of that setting that up. But again, in many ways, you're seeing the platform of how this all can go together. In fact, if I go to schedule monthly and I click clients, there's a similar view. I can go to non-clients. You can tag things in different ways. We can even go in here, and inside of event type, there's intervention appointment, which is our sort of internal coding for what we're calling hypnotic sessions, a non-intervention appointment. So maybe there's your gym visit, there's your dentist, there's your visit to your kid's school. We can go in here to various settings as well. You can set up the time scale, and check this out. Let me actually go back to the actual calendar view here of the month. And let's assume for a moment that I don't want to work Thursdays, and check out this sorcery. I can click and Thursdays now disappear. Let's assume actually in my schedule, I don't see clients on the weekend. I'm either with my family or I'm teaching a class on the weekend. So I'm just going to strike away Monday and Saturday, and actually just clear those away. There we are. And I've got, no, I did that in the wrong order. I'm clearing away the two Saturday, Sundays there, and now I've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday all set up here. And again, I'm able to go in. I can see a beautiful at-a-glance display off to the side. All sorts of records inside of here. Appointment records, we can click over to that. This is still in development. We've got contact records. You can click on anything and brings it up right away. We can go into system tags and set this up. And I've just got to click more colors because I've got to type in 712 EAD, and now I've got my purple tagging. So now my business can actually run. Create new tag. There it is. Block. This is a big thing in my schedules, that I'm able to go in and just block out specific time if that's time I'm not going to be seeing my clients. I can even go into script records from here because, again, it's an all-in-one platform. So on one side of things, you've got your actual system for how you schedule out your day, how you communicate with your clients, how you store their contact information, and also from there, the work that you did in your session too. So on top of this, I'll tell you a little bit of a preview of what's coming down the pipeline at the moment. That we've got automatic emails. So this is your email autoresponder, auto SMS, text message communication, which that's very quickly replacing email. You ever call someone and they're getting offended that you're actually calling them? Why didn't you text me? I used to not text with my clients. Now I do it all the time as an easy mechanism of communication. So a lot of cool stuff coming down the pipeline, a lot of cool features coming your way. For those of you already in the system, you can jump in and start playing with this yourself and start adapting it for your own schedules, for your own sessions. For those of you that are brand new, head over to scriptnosis.com and join us today.